So I'm out here cruising around, and there's high beam, there's low beam. High beam, low beam. Not very bright, is it? So I'm not impressed with these headlights. As you can tell, well, what you expect for $18.99 plus tax, $24.53. The sail beams are brighter than these, especially on the high beam. You get what you pay for. Anyway, it's getting dark out. I'm gonna go home. My phone's almost dead. And I thought I'd do a little video of this of what it looks like. Anyway, I'm gonna go home. Check you later. Bye.